Redbubble is a print-on-demand platform that has a variety of products available for you to add your own unique designs to and sell worldwide. Which sounds great, and it is great. Everyone who sells on Redbubble, they call us artists, even me, who is more of a cheeky text-based slogan kind of creator with a distinct lack of any artistic talent. Everyone has access to the same assortment of products. And in this video, I'm going to tell you why Redbubble is such a good start for podders, people who pod. I'll show you the products that are available and you'll see what's possible with very little work from your point of view. But more than that, I'll show you that a not very technically minded 50-something can do it. That you only make money rather than spend it, and that you too can get those creative juices flowing. Then, in the rest of my Redbubble series upcoming, I'll take you a little deeper into Redbubble so you can enhance your presence in the platform itself. And this is by no means the only way to do print on demand. Oh, I've got so much to tell you. So Redbubble is a huge platform. Just like other marketplaces, it's somewhere where customers go. They've got a buying idea in mind. They're ready to buy. There's a search bar, and when someone types what they're looking for into it, a selection of matching listings come up. Great, there we are. Now, as artists, as sellers, we're all on a level playing field. All artists have the same blank products. What's unique is the designs that we're uploading onto them. It's no good me saying that my hoodies, for example, are better quality fabric than yours or another Redbubble artist. They are the same. It's only the print that's different. The really exciting thing is the variety of products on Redbubble is superb, and they often bring out new ones too, so keep an eye out for that. You upload your design and it goes across all the products. If you want to disable some, you can, but realistically, why not make everything you can available? You can tweak and resize them. You can change the background colours. You can make the images into patterns. Starting to see the possibilities yet? So with Redbubble, the more you have on there, the more you're likely to sell. So it does make sense to make as many products available for people to buy as possible, doesn't it? Though, of course, not every design will work for every product. And if you really wanted to, you could specialise in just one item. You could be the shower curtain specialist. It just seems a little bit of a wasted opportunity if those designs could go on other products that people around the globe could buy. But you could get maybe a matching bath mat listed, for example. So how do you get started with Redbubble? Well, first of all, you have to open an artist account. And this is fairly easy, and I'm going to do a separate video talking you through the whole process as part of my full Redbubble series. Let's go straight to the fun bit though, shall we? You take your design and you upload it. It will load and ping, 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 there it goes across all the available products. If one is disabled, it's paler, and it's easy to enable like this. You'll notice my design does not have a background on it. It's also a nice crisp image with a high number of pixels. Designing for print on demand has a few general guidelines, and my How to Design Magic Merch video will tell you everything that you need to know. I'll add it to the end of this video. You can go deeper into each product, change the pricing. Some have other variations available once you go into it, for example, these hats. Here's how you change the background, and here's how you turn it into a pattern. Mind blown. A few more clicks and you have all these products uniquely emblazoned with your design, available for sale around the world. Well, actually, Redbubble monitors your listings for a week if you're new, but once they're up and running, then they are for sale for people around the world to find and buy. Wow. Yes, there are a lot more settings you can play about with and things that you can do on Redbubble, and I do have a full video course available to buy. Of course, details down below. But fundamentally, this is how Redbubble works. You add a design, the upload, you tweak and resize it across all the products you want to sell. You click save. You earn money from your sales, known as royalties. You never have to pay out anything. You don't have to pay for any stock or printing costs up front. When an order is received, they take a blank product and add the print. Hey, presto, not before. So nothing is sitting on the shelf ready to go. It's printed and shipped straight to the customer. Redbubble tell you you've got an order. Yay, exciting, go me. And you can see what it is and the country or state that that customer's in. But you don't get any other information. These are Redbubble's customers, they're not yours. You don't do the customer service, Redbubble do. You don't get to put them on an email list or anything like that so you can send them promotions or try to sell them other things. So where it's nice to offload all the after sales work, it's also quite limiting without this opportunity to upsell. You can improve your chances of getting your products seen by using descriptive tags called keywords that prospective customers will search for and making sure your title is relevant too. Redbubble want sales. The more sales going through them, the more money they make. So if your products are selling well, they will promote them more. A while ago, Redbubble introduced tiers and started to add fees, taking a percentage of the earnings from sales back off the sellers in some tiers. This didn't go down very well, as you can imagine, but if you go into this with your eyes wide open, knowing that you won't make big money from each sale, but every time something sells, you will make a bit, and the more products you've got on there, the more you're likely to sell, then you know where you stand. Remember, you never have to pay out money. You only earn. Your designs go all across the products at once, ping, 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 ping. You and all the other artists are selling the same base products. It's just the designs that are different. The more listings you have on there, the more you'll sell. Redbubble have a minimum threshold before they pay your royalties, which is usually $20 or £20. If you don't meet the threshold in a month, it will carry over until you do. But before you go, I do just want to mention trademarks. Don't, under any circumstances, try to upload designs that are trademarked. Redbubble will close your account. And if you've already created tens or hundreds of listings by that stage, you're going to lose the lot. Come up with your own unique designs. Do research to find niches or subjects that are trending. These arrows show what's on the up. Look at how many other designs are on there in that niche. Too much competition, or so little that clearly no one's interested in it whatsoever? Are you likely to make a full-time income from Redbubble? Sorry, but I'd say no, you're not. And yeah, sometimes things go viral and you can make hundreds and thousands of sales, but realistically this is more side hustle territory. But I do urge you to save the designs you're creating for your Redbubble listings, because you will be able to add them to other print-on-demand products across other sites, turn them into notebook covers and sell them on Amazon KDP, for example. Just because you've put it on one site, it does not mean you can't sell it elsewhere. Like, for example, your own website as well, your own e-commerce store where you're in control. I'm going to delve deeper into Redbubble and all these other things in further videos, but really, this is enough to get you started, get uploading, because as soon as you've got products on there, you will have people able to buy them. Well, 5 days after, maybe 7. And if you want to learn the full Redbubble process with me on that course, the link's in the comments. Now, here's how to design for perfect print-on-demand listings.